Brats, Walkabout Mini Golf has quickly skyrocketed to one of my favorite games to play on the Quest. But if you've played any golf game on the Quest, you know it feels very weird to try and pretend this is a golf club. Mr. Tass sent us all those 3D printed accessories a while back, and I've been using one of them a lot. Let's talk about this. $15 is all they ask for on the Mr. Tass 3D print shop for one of these golf clubs. I showed them to you a little bit before, but basically, Quest controller inserts directly into it. Right now there's a Velcro strap that's included that you can wrap around. It holds it well, but he is actually looking into some reusable zip tie kind of strap, something to make it even more secure and nice for you. I have been absolutely loving this with Walkabout Mini Golf, with anything to do with golfing. You really need that second hand to stabilize and make things feel really good. But I wondered, I've done VR for a long time, I've been doing Walkabout Mini Golf for a while now, is it possible that we need some fresh perspective? So we're gonna head over to the garage where we got plenty of room, and we're gonna get John, who hasn't played Walkabout Mini Golf in the headset, to try a couple holes without this and some holes with it, and get his thoughts on, does this make the difference that I feel like it does? So let's head over there. You played mini golf in real life?
Oh yeah, between Bullwinkles and Best Little Roadhouse.
How you feeling about the feel of the club in your hand right now?
You know, I see what you mean. I think it would be better with a stick to hold on to with my other hand. I'm just holding my other hand right now. This feels weird.
Yeah, you just kind of hold hands with yourself. It's kind of nice.
Oh no!
Oh.
Ah.
Hey, I moved 6 inches. It's all
there
good.
you go.
6 inches is all you need.
Nope. Damn it. I'm going for the bogey.
Okay, I'm going through the barrel now. I've committed. No, just kidding. I have not committed.
I wonder if I can pitch this over all the walls right into the hole.
I think it's possible.
I'm gonna try it. Yeah, kinda. Wonder if I can get just the right angle. Nope.
This is good that we're doing bad, because it's gonna show once we get the sticks how much better we do.
Yeah.
Either that or we'll have stopped taking it seriously by then and we're just gonna do terrible.
Boink.
Nice. Okay, grab our sticks. We gotta see how, if someone doesn't know what they're doing, how intuitive is it to get it on.
I know what I'm doing, man. Loop-de-loop. And there we are. Pretty easy.
All right. First thoughts, John. How does it feel to have a stick in your hand now?
I feel right at home. No, it makes the controller feel a little more substantial, if nothing else, but we'll have to see how it plays out, if you will.
Oh, this feels right, though. Come on. Just a little more. Oh, okay. Fine, screw you, ball.
Whew.
Oh, it worked.
Nice. I feel like that's setting me up for success right there.
You are there. See, look at that. First one with the club, and already.
You know what's funny? I didn't even grab the top half of it. I grabbed my freaking hand again.
You got too used to it.
Nice.
There we go.
Ooh. All right, I'm gonna grab the stick proper this time. Ready, go.
Ooh,
suck.
The aim was good. It was the power that was the issue.
Whew. Nice.
Okay, after this hole, we lose our clubs again.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Oh, this looks awful. Oh, thank God.
Woo.
Oh, I thought for a second. I was like, just maybe. Power the club, baby.
I feel like I should be doing a driver swing right now.
Oh, hey, that actually worked out.
It was rough, but we got there. I feel like mini golf is just a bigger version of pool.
Yeah, it really is.
Boink.
Oof. Very good. I was worried.
I was too, no, I'm not gonna lie.
All right, clubs off.
I need it.
I don't need it. I need it!
Okay, I don't want to sway you. Give me your honest impressions with the switchback. Would you play the game without the club?
If I didn't know the club existed, probably. But if I knew it was out there and there was an opportunity for me to partake in a club, why would I not? This is a stupid hole. Uh-oh.
Oh boy, that was a lot. Oh no! Bye ball.
Dang it.
We can't prove it, but I feel like if you'd had the club on, you wouldn't have overshot that last shot.
You know, I kind of feel like you're right.
Oh no. Oh no.
Are you freaking kidding me?
So, do you want to go 3 holes again, or do you want your club back?
Why would I play without the club now that I've had it?
It's just because we're trying to really understand how it feels.
Oh, I understand how it feels. I want the club back. I'm never gonna make this without the club, bro.
You just have to really see. Oh my God, that was a big whack. Okay, I think that went off the map. I gave it a lot of power there. Don't give it quite that much power. There. Oh, there's an alternate route.
What?
Oh, but it's a good thing. It put you right there.
Right at the hole. Look at that.
Oh, I didn't know there was a sneaky hole. Oh, and I did not smack it far enough just now. I blame not having a club.
That's what I'm saying.
Because this is going really poorly now.
That's what I'm saying, dog.
Okay, we're gonna try the other route apparently. Oh God,
Really?
really?
I need to be like 5 shots for this one. Ooh,
That was close.
very nice.
Okay. Oh, thank God the club's back.
Power of the club, baby. Nah.
Well, you can make it now though. You're in line at least. Okay, that was not where I was trying to. I was trying to hit dead in the corner.
That went well. No.
Ah,
Ready? Yeah.
nice. Okay, now I'm gonna go watch and make sure this is actually the way I want to go.
Right.
Find out it goes somewhere else. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No.
Stop! Stop!
How'd you go in the hole?
Whew, that was as gentle as it could be. Oh,
Nice.
beautiful. Whew.
Nice.
I thought that was too much. Well, I've had months to figure out my thoughts, so I'm gonna let you go first.
If you're a mini golf extravaganza fan, get yourself one of these. Do yourself a favor. There's so much more precision control when you have both hands on it. After we went back to just the controller, there's no way.
There's no going back.
I did 1 hole and I was like, why are we doing this to ourselves?
Yeah, I absolutely hate now that I have it, like the thought of playing mini golf without it is almost so bad. I'm like, I don't want to do it without the club.
Yeah,
Like,
if you forget your club at home and you're going to a friend's house, you just, well, we can't play anymore.
it's nearly that bad. Yeah. And other golf games, I've tried some of the other ones, Golf Plus and stuff too, it makes a huge difference. The one thing that I kind of wonder is if you could have one that had like an actual golf handle, they cost a lot more. They are available, they're like 5 times this price. That might feel nice to have like a real golf, because it does kind of break your immersion a little bit, because this one feels like a golf club and this one feels like your club. But the reason that they want to keep it this way, you can always still access your buttons because you need your buttons.
Right.
If you had one that had the whole handle, you'd be like, okay, grab this, grab this. So this makes the most sense. It's the lowest price. It makes such a difference in golf games.
100%, dude.
I love it. Check out Mr. Tass. Code JayBratt will get you 10% off on his site on Etsy. There'll be links in the description, all that. So check it out. And what do you want to tell him, John?
We'll see you in another reality.